entering. But password is encrypted, right? You cannot see the password as password, the plain text.
It would be plain text only.
No, it was encrypted. We in the backend we could see the username, but password was encrypted.
No.
Yes, so maybe we can continue with the rest of the topic.
Yeah. Sure. DOS, DDoS attacks. Okay. Just fire up your Kali Bishop.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's already up, I guess. Yeah.
Let me do it for my machine. Any other topics you have done apart from DOS, DDoS attack, social engineering attacks? Any phishing links have you created by using the SE toolkit?
phishing
The,
links, no.
the link itself
Oh,
was not getting created.
what?
Like the link was not showing in that SC toolkit framework. We just typed our IP in browser, then it is redirecting to the site.
No, 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 no. It won't be. It won't be like that. It will create or generate one link. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes, yes. So for us, initially nothing was coming. Then we had to switch on the Apache. What was it?
Apache server configuration and some configuration file in SE toolkit.
Set config file.
Hmm.
Then only it worked. So many times we tried hours, it was stuck in that same screen. Many days. So then finally,
Sometimes you need to start the systemctl Apache 2 server or Apache 2 services. Sometimes you need to start with the services if it is not enabled. By default, actually, the services would get enabled. Hmm.
Okay.
What services you have actually done?
in the config file, we switched on. I mean, Apache
Server.
server equal to on. It was off. So we just changed it to on. So then maybe it's the same. Both are same, different ways to do the same thing.
Yeah, different ways to do the same thing. Okay.
Yeah. So then finally we could only access using we gave our host IP address, right? Then we put the host IP address on the browser. So then that particular website will open up, and when we enter username password, it will show it in the backend on our command prompt. What is the username? Password was coming encrypted.
Okay. I think you need to do it what I can say. Mm, there is one more way you can do it. So you need to just open your Gmail. Just let me show you. Let me log in quickly. Which mail ID it is logging in, I don't know. Okay. Here we need to give the email address or something like that. Hmm. You need to give the matter here. Okay, once it is done, hmm, so once your link is done, you need to change the link and redirect the link to your address.
So we
Okay.
are not
Yeah.
getting a link. I mean, here also we are using our IP address only, no?
IP address will be using. I mean, the whatever the login page, the school website page is there. It has to come on this, and the address has to redirect to your IP address. Okay, and you need to click on OK. So it would be displaying with https google.com. Okay, so let me just give it to. Okay, so I just kept on saying. Okay, just allow me a moment. I'll log in from my another account. One moment. See here, can you able to see? Here, this is the facebook.com. So if I clicked on this facebook.com, it is actually redirecting to the Apache page. Okay. But the thing is, if I start with the SE toolkit, it will actually redirect with the facebook.com website. Is it clear?
Okay. So if we have started SC toolkit, it will redirect to Facebook page, and whatever entering in the page, we could see it in the terminal.
In the terminal itself.
So, I mean, does your SC, I mean, will we be able to try that? I mean, so instead of that IP address that's showing on top, will it show another URL?
You can do it like that. So let me just
Because otherwise, seeing the IP address, they'll identify. No?
Here, instead of this one, you can use the other possibilities, email addresses or the website addresses to which the URL link should go, text to display. So it would be, you do have different options here. So if you do have your own server setup, then it will redirect. But you don't have a server setup. So that's why I've just given you to use the IP address. Okay.
Okay, this is a link, setup that you've clicked on the mail, right?
Yes.
Text to display and to what URL. But if you're saying if we do the SC toolkit, then we'll get a proper URL.
Yeah.
Then it will not show the IP address on top on the browser.
No, it is not like that actually. The thing is that if you do have server setup which is available with you, then you can do it. I mean, spoof the Facebook server setup if you do have, then you can do the actual Facebook page, which can correlate with the normal Facebook page.
Okay.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
So, okay. Let me just pull up these things. So, our next topic is session hijacking. What is meant by session hijacking?
So somebody else is intruding into your session. So suppose you're accessing a banking application. I mean, your session will contain your cookie details and all of that. Whatever
Okay.
you are being passed. So if somebody can have access to that session, then they'll get all the access. They can do some banking transaction. That's what I understood.
So there are many things that you can actually hijack the session. The first one would be by using your cookies, and the second one would be your DNS, local DNS, and all. Mm. By using the cache data, DNS cache data, which is available in your website or web browser or web application. And even sometimes you can compromise it by using the headers, HTTP headers. Okay. So here we are going to use, we do have two different tools to hijack the session. The first one would be your Burp Suite, and the second one would be your Zap Proxy. Okay. Burp Suite, it is available in Kali directly, Burp Suite. And you do have Zap Proxy also. Is it available or not? Just check it out once.
Suit is available. SAP is not available.
Okay. So both can do the same type of thing. The advantage from the Verb Suite is you do have multiple options in professional edition. But when it comes to the Web Proxy, it is a free version and where you can have some options, but not all the different options, I can say. Okay. So let us start with the burp suite. Just you need to start the burp suite. Before capturing anything, you need to go to your extension page in Firefox. Actually, I do have the extensions which are already running on my screen, or else I do have the extensions, I can say precisely. You need to download Foxy Proxy. Just search in the extension as Foxy Proxy. Just go to your extension tab and search Foxy Proxy. FOXYPROXY. This is it would be looking like this.
Proxy.
Proxy. Hey, have you got this Wi-Fi adapter?
Proxy standard, right? Wait.
Yeah,
Proxy. Yeah.
Purna, Lakshmi.
Sorry?
Did you got the Wi-Fi adapter?
No.
No.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay. So have you installed it?
Yes,
We are
we
trying
just
that.
need to add it to browser, right?
Firefox, yes.
I'm just my Kali got stuck, so I'm just restarting.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so in the browser to check. The add-on Fox. Purna, you got that extension?
Yes. Foxy proxy.
For XY, right?
Yeah.
And add to Firefox game.
Mm.
Find more add-ons. Foxy proxy standard.
Yes, it is proxy proxy standard.
Okay. Add to Firefox. Done.
Is it done?
Yeah.
So just you need to go to the extension. Uh, yes. Okay. So you need to click on options. Once it is done, it would be like in the extension you will have these tabs below, but I have marked it into the pin tab. So it will look like this. Okay, without burp, it would look like this. Disable and options this that everything would be there. So you need to click on the options.
Here it will show enable sync auto backup. On clicking option, what will be the screen looking like?
It's
It will look like
Yeah.
this.
disabled. It should show disabled. I mean,
Just click on the options tab.
options.
Hmm.
Yeah, got it. Options.
So
What do
here
people get?
proxies are there.
Proxies.
Hmm. You need to click on that proxies and you will find like add. That's it. Here I have already added. So it is looking like burp is looking. But
So we have to
if you,
add what? No.
in the title you need to add burp
Burp.
URP.
Okay, so options, proxies. In the filter, you have to give burp, right?
Yes. And you
Filter
need
And
to
of
give
after
the
clicking add, right?
it will
yes,
show that
click on
title
add.
type,
Click on add.
Uh,
title
title
type.
it is burp. You need to give.
Okay.
And the host name is 127.0.0.1.
Okay.
And you need to give the port number
Type.
as 8080.
Okay.
Type no need to give. Just
HTTP default HTTP or HTTPS.
let it be anything.
Okay. Anything.
But don't give title and all. Sorry, type. Just don't try to change the type. Host name just give the loopback address 127.0.0.1 and the port is 8080.
Okay. Nothing else we need to give.
Nothing.
Okay. Save.
Just save it. Once it is done, is your burp sheet also open?
It's saving.
We have to select temporary project in memory, right?
Yes.
Only that option is available.
Hmm.
And use next option is use burp defaults
Yes.
configuration.
Where are you seeing all these options?
Um, we need to start burp suite from. We need to start burp suite from this card.
No, once it comes on the extension, what is the next step?
You need to start the burp sheet.
For that, you have to go to command prompt. or
From
thing.
that search, from this Kali search only.
Kali start button, you go to
Yeah.
the web application analysis and website is there available. It is.
Oh, okay. Bob's suit. Okay, so we have to click on that. Virtual Community Edition.
Hmm.
Your JRE appears to be version Verb has not been fully tested on this platform. You may experience problem. That's okay. Some error alerts. That's
Yeah,
okay, right?
JRA version.
JRE version it will be. Nah, it doesn't matter, it will work.
So that is skipped. What nothing's coming up.
I think it takes some time to load, right? That window.
Yes, yes, yes. Is it loaded?
It's loaded for me. Uh,
Lakshmi?
she got disconnected, it seems.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, she was. Yeah, now she's on that.
Yeah, I mean, there's no power here. I don't know when should all shut down.
That's what happened yesterday. Also, it was like that for me. From morning to till evening, there is no internet connectivity.
Okay, so we got temporary project in memory. I'll click on next. No? Start
Yeah,
verb.
yeah.
Start verb.
Start verb. Start the verb.
Use verb defaults. No.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, started.
So we have to take this proxy tab.
Uh, so once it is completed, just click on proxy. So you will have an intercept history, request, WebSockets, web history, something it would be. So last proxy settings you need to go. There you can find one to intruder proxy, intruder repeater sequencer, and burp browser. Just click on burp browser, and you will be having browser running. So in that, allow burp run in the sandbox. One option is not checklit. It is not in tick mark. So you need to checkbox that one.
Which one? Verb browser. Allow verb browser to run with the sandbox. That we have to check.
Yes. And you need to close it.
Okay.
Okay. Is it done?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you need to again the proxy intercept. Within that intercept, intercept is off. Just click on that and open your browser.
Open browser.
Okay. Just in the Foxy Proxy tab, click on Foxy Proxy extension and just
Sorry, just a minute. Intercept is off from there. I need to click open browser.
Yeah.
Okay.
no, not open browser. Intercept
Yeah.
on.
Oh, intercept on. Yeah. Okay.
You need to turn on the intercept. Go to your Firefox again, and here go to your Foxy Proxy where your burp is configured. Just click on burp. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Because see here we are actually trying to intercept the requests which are going out from our machine or the any machine, let it be either it might be your host machine if you're installed the burp suite, or it might be your virtual machine. So whatever the traffic it is going from your host machine, it is going to intercept. Proxy tool. Burp suite is actually the proxy tool. Okay. Just you need to click on burp. Is it done?
Yeah.
Okay. So here just type http colon forward oblique burp. That's it. Is it done?
Yes.
So once it is done, it will redirect it to the burp suite page. So here it is. Okay. So what you will do is just click on CA
Just
certificate.
a minute. Um, uh, can you show that verb suite once? I didn't get anything like this.
Just have it turn on the intercept.
Yeah.
Here
On giving the
have we turn on this Foxy proxy burp?
yes, that blue radio button should be there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's there.
So here you need to give HTTP colon oblique oblique burp.
Colon. Yeah, actually that page is loaded Burp Suite Community Edition. It's not coming.
Here have we got this CA certificate?
Yes.
Just click
Should I
on
click
that
on
CA.
that?
Yes.
Yeah, it's downloaded.
Download it, na?
Yeah.
Now go to your settings tab here in the Firefox. Settings is there one option. Just click on
Yeah.
settings and you need to search for certificates in the settings.
Yes. Mm,
Click on certificates. Here import option is there.
import. I have to import this downloaded one.
Just click on import and here you will get the most recent one cert.der.
Yeah.
So double click on that.
Yes. And it is asking trust the CA to identify websites.
Yes, allow.
Allow.
There would be two options. Allow this
Checkbox
certificate. Yeah. For
to
email
identify
addresses
website.
also.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Just
need to give for
checkbox
both.
those things. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Give the both.
Yeah. Added.
Okay. And just click on certificates again and search for the port figure whether the certificate is enabled or not.
Now this in this verb suit it's coming. I mean,
Hmm.
what should I search in certificate manager?
The certificate manager, sports
Sports
figure
figure.
CA. Whether you have got the sports figure or not.
Yeah, there is sports figure. CA, software security device.
Hmm. Yes. So is it done?
Yeah. So it's like we are telling browser to trust this website, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So once it is done, just close the pages.
Oh, I think Lakshmi when they gave, she's not in the call right now.
Okay, anyhow, I'm doing the recording. Or shall we have a quick break so that she can join back?
Uh, Let me check with her.
Hmm.
Oh, her network is there is some issue with network. It seems.
Okay.
All these things
Okay,
are
let
like
us.
one-time setup, right?
Yes,
I mean, this adding certificate extension, everything.
everything is one-time setup,
One-time thing.
one-time setup only. But the thing is, when you start the Burp Suite Community Edition, every time you need to just go to the proxy tab and
Okay.
you need to allow this one.
Okay.
Rest of the things,
Proxy
no need for
settings,
that.
right? Yeah.
Yeah, proxy settings. So click on proxy settings and you would have the Burp browser.
The browser.
You need to enable it. Just try with Lakshmi and
Um,
let me know.
Message is not getting delivered. Let me try calling once.
Yeah. Oh, I got it.
Yeah, she's asking you to. Can you please allow her to? Yeah.
I have allowed that. Allowed.
Yeah, yeah. I was waiting and then finally I connected on my mobile hotspot. I mean hotspot
Okay,
Okay.
that's fine.
because my Wi-Fi is gone completely.
Hmm.
So as far as there is my mobile stays, we'll stay.
Hmm. Well, due to heavy rains,
Yeah,
this
yeah, heavy
internet
rain.
is getting actually disconnected. Everywhere it is like that everywhere. And in my band, yesterday whole day my internet was not there. I've joined the sessions from the mobile only, and
Mm.
I've done with the discussion part.
Oh,
Hmm. That's what.
anyways.
Okay,
So
just
she
we
also
can.
need that
Yeah, so
certificate
I
What?
thing.
What?
I think she has missed out that certificate part.
yeah, I
Lakshmi, did
just
you
I switched on this thing. I can see interception is on and on the is
extension Foxy
extension
proxy?
Foxy proxy burp is there. So I have to click on burp.
Yes.
What happens when you click on burp? Nothing.
It is the perp is actually the interceptor. So
Okay.
whatever the traffic it is going up from your laptop and coming into your laptop, it can intercept the traffic and you can manipulate the request. Okay, the
So you
upside
don't.
and wrap
Okay,
proxy.
you just have to click. You don't have to explicitly. Okay. Uh, double click or and single click is enough. No?
Yeah.
I think it's. Yeah. I think that's done.
So once it is done, you need to go to the HTTP :/ burp. Okay. So once it will show you with Burp Suite Community Edition. Welcome to Burp Suite Community Edition. And on the right side top, you would find CA certificate.
1 second. HTTP :/bar. Okay. CA certificate. Yes.
Yes, just click on CA certificate. It will download into your machine.
Completed.
Done. So just
Yes.
open the settings in your Firefox. Just click on settings and search for certificates.
CA. Okay.
So
Show.
here
Okay.
you
Show
would
all
have
download.
no need to go with the downloads tab. Okay, just open your settings.
Okay.
So have you gone to the settings?
Wait. So settings on. Yes. Settings.
So in the search button, you need to search for certificates.
Cert. Okay. 1 second. Cert. View certificate or yeah.
Yeah, view certificates. It will show you with option called import.
Import.
Just click on import. On the top of your screen itself, you will find a cert.der.
Cert.dl. Yeah.
Just double click on that. Is it done?
Double click. Yeah.
It will ask with the two different options. Allow the certificate to run or check the websites and allow the certificate to check with the email addresses and all.
It's just like for me, it's showing you have been asked to trust a new certificate. So trust the CA.
Yes, yes, you need to
Trust
trust
the
it.
CA to identify email users. Both
Yes,
options identify certificate
both,
websites and
yeah, both
both.
options you need to select
Okay.
and click on OK.
Okay.
And again, just view certificates. Go to view certificate option and search
View,
for
view,
port
cert-
secure.
view certificate option is in your certificate. Wait.
No, that same option only.
Authorities.
No, that view certificate, the first one you have taken, that same option only.
It has to be enabled, right? 1 second. Let me see if it's enabled for me. View. Okay. View. But for me, authorities.
Yeah, in authorities, just scroll down and find ports figure.
Port,
Port figure CA.
it's a alphabetical order, no? LMNOPQRST. Ports figure, yeah.
It is available.
Yes.
So your burp is fully configured. Okay.
Okay.
Just click on OK. And you can close the tab. Okay. So in burp suite also, it's so the proxy, you do have multiple options. History API history. So in history TP history, whatever the traffic which was sent and received uh, to your computer or to your machine, it can be viewed here in history TP history. Okay,
History
it
in the proxy.
history TP history, and you would have WebSocket history and this proxy settings. And one more thing I just want to remind you. So once you start your burp suite, sometimes in the burp browser, it will be like the checkbox. Sometimes it won't automatically checkbox. So you need to enable this option. Then only your browser can actually
Which
work.
option?
Proxy
Which
settings, burp browser, and allow option would be there.
This is the step we did first, right? Check allow
Yes.
browser to run without a
Yes,
sandbox.
yes, yes. Every time you have to do this one
Make sure, yeah.
checkbox. Okay. Is it clear?
1 second. So I am on this particular option we are getting from
Proxy settings.
Proxy settings.
Proxy tab, proxy settings.
okay. So that okay, fine. Burp suite community edition, proxy tab, proxy settings. What we have to enable?
Allow burp browser to run without a sandbox.
We have to select Burp's browser
Burp
first.
browser. Yeah, that is already done. Yeah, that I had already done.
So every time I'm just reminding you, every time you need to click on that.
Okay.
Okay. So there are different multiple options are there. The intruder, repeater, collaborator, sequencer, decoder, comparer, logger, organizer, and extensions. Okay. So there are different options would be there. So for a simple thing, we are not supposed to do any sort of different like what we can say heavy processes we are not going to run. And my suggestion would be when you are using the burp suite in your Kali machine, make sure that you are using at least 4 GB RAM, bare minimum 4 GB RAM you have to use, and you have to give the two processors at least
For VM.
per VM.
Okay,
Is
so as
it
of now we have
clear?
given processor base memory only 2048 MB. So four we have given.
4096 you need to give. Okay, while you are practicing something, just give 4096 means 4 GB bare minimum.
So basically change the settings whenever we need to practice, right?
Yes, only on the burp suite.
Yeah, only on the burp suite. Yeah, I mean we have to change the VM configuration while using burp suite. That's what you're saying.
Yes.
Mm.
So, shall we have a quick break for 10 minutes and again we can connect back? It's already 1 hour.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we are okay. I mean, you want to
I have to
have
take a
a break?
break.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Hello, Purna, Lakshmi. Hello, Lakshmi. Purna, are you there?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, let's continue. So, in order to hijack the sessions, so we can use this Burp Suite as a proxy tool. So let me show you a very quick example. Before that, you need
Just a
to
minute. Uh, I'm checking with Lakshmi. Lakshmi, you there?
she's there, but she's on mute.
Otherwise, you will have to repeat again. Let me check with the once.
Okay.
Yeah, hi.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're audible. So this
Okay.
proxy Burpsuit is a proxy. So where you need to understand the headers and footers of a website. Say for example, if I go with facebook.com, okay. So let
Okay.
the connection get forwarded. You need to forward the request. The first one you will get is the get request. Okay. So once this get
Mm.
request is being forwarded, you can see get host is there, and you do have the cookies here. Okay. And you do
Mm.
have the languages, accept languages, encryptions, decryptions, everything is there. Connection you can see as a close. Okay.
Close. Mm.
So once this is completely, so these are the many requests which you can actually see. I mean, whatever the Facebook page you are loading with your internet speed, it is loading like just within seconds. It is loading, right? So how the requests are actually flowing, so you can see it here. Is it clear?
Yeah, yeah.
Then, so even
So you can see everything in the intercept tab.
yes. And you
Intercept
need
tab.
to
Okay.
inspect, even you can inspect the page elements, what and all the pages are there here. So here, can you able to see? So these are the different inspector pages are there. Console is there where you can see here. Can you able to see this one? This is a browser feature internet for developers. If someone told
So
you to
you took
copy and
developer
paste,
folder.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Here in console, you can see here, right?
Oh.
They gave us with a warning, but yes,
So
I
where
don't
will you
bother
be able
about
to, I
the.
mean, this is a developer tool, right? How will you, where can you copy paste?
Here, this here you can see this what is that arrow marks are there.
Ah,
So if you inject
yeah.
some malicious code here, it will redirect you with different options. That is the advanced level of web hacking. So just if you do have the very good coding knowledge, you can try it out. But I don't have that much coding knowledge, so I'll use the Bubsy tool. That okay.
Okay.
And you do have this debugger tool also, where what and all the things are there, what is actually happening in this particular thing. So everything you can see it here. So it is like complete a wrapped text. I just don't want to see the wrapped text because I can't read it properly. So for that I can use this one. So it can be like in a clear cut format. So everything you can view, what and all the style editors, everything you can see in this. From this, you can actually understand the process, how this website is actually building and how it is actually running and what and all the things they have implemented to build the website. Okay, debugger and even the network tool is also there. So where you will be finding the post requests of the facebook.com page. So here I can say I can go to the sorry, HTTP history. So there is this
Hmm.
HTTP history, Facebook. So this is the get request and this is the post request of the Facebook page.
Hmm.
Okay, get and post request. And you can see somewhere here it is like the status codes and all. And I have got with one status code, it is 304, which is the redirection page. And we can have the option to edit the status code or edit something here. And original request and the response of this request. Okay, let us go back to our
304 is
Facebook
for
page.
what?
Redirection.
So it's like we are
So
manipulating
are
that
we
network
going to,
flow.
No, 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 no. Redirection in the sense, say for example, drive.google.com. Okay, if you open that page and you haven't signed in earlier, it will actually redirect you to the sign in page in the Google.
Yeah.
Once you sign in only, then it will again reflect back with your Drive account. Means redirecting to the Google original page, I mean sign in page, and then coming back to your user account.
Mm.
304, 301, 302. These are the redirection pages, and 200 would be your actual request, whatever the request you have sent. And if you are getting the actual response or proper response, then it would be 200. And there would be the pages with like 401, 402, 403, 404, 405. These are the actual pages of error pages, either the error pages or you can't access those pages or you can't, and the page doesn't exist. Would be like a page 404 error, 403 error, 401 error. You can view, right? Some pages.
hmm.
Mm. Like page not found and all.
Hmm.
Okay, like earlier
Those
you
are,
said right that edited uh, whatever we are seeing in HTTP history, it's that we are viewing that network flow when we are accessing a website, right?
yes, yes. And you can see this length also. And MIME type. the JSON script is there, INET, TNET script is there. But the thing is, those are the status codes of 200, not 304. 304, you can't find this one. Okay.
So what is that evil pattern? I mean, is there something? I mean, this is not when you accessed Facebook. No, this was something else.
This is not the access page. Prior to accessing the facebook.com page, you will be redirecting with many web pages.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's come back. See here, you have got with a different post requests of Facebook page with different subdomains. So here, what is the Ajax web storage process keys and state equals to 1. If I change the state to some other different page, state I can go with the state equals to 2 or something like that. So let's see what request I'm actually getting in the intercept. Here it is, okay, I'll just forward this one. And Ajax HTTP2 state and the local storage timestamp. It is actually flushing my local timestamp, local storage timestamp, so that no one can take the session takeover, we can say. Okay.
Okay.
And
Ajax
here,
is for session take.
no, not a session takeover. It is. It is not the session takeover. It is the page, actual page. I mean, the
Okay.
web page,
Web
which is
page. Yeah.
which is the
So we are
subdirectory.
using that web page
Hmm.
for session
But in
takeover.
browser you give state equal to 2, right? But here it is showing as 1.
So let us see. I haven't forwarded the complete request, no?
Oh, okay.
So I have forwarded the complete request. It is going with some different names. Yeah, here, okay. I have missed this one. State equals to 2. I have got the request. So let us see what was the input I can get from in the Mozilla Firefox. See here, I have got with the page isn't available. The link you followed may be broken or page may have been removed. And I have got with the email address and password to sign in into the Facebook. Okay, there are multiple options. So say I'll be giving with cybersec1605 at gmail.com is my mail ID, and I don't have an account, but for purposefully I'm just giving you. Let me give one password here. Okay.
So one doubt. So where did you took that Ajax thing URL from where? Ajax, which was one earlier. You took it from the post.
The post request here.
In
And
the email
here
of
you can see, yeah.
the network.
No, in the network, I've took
Network
this one,
itself.
and you do have multiple options: security, stick trace, timings, response, requests, cookies, headers. There are multiple things. Okay. So I've given my some email address and some random password, which is actually not existed. But yes, I'm trying to make you understand. Okay, here I have got with post login request. And where is my username here? Can you see the username?
Refill contact second line.
Yeah,
Refill contact.
I have got with this one. So let me just post request. Let me send this request to right click and send it to the intruder. Okay. In the intruder page, I have got with this request. Okay. So and I'll be adding this cybersec 605. Here is the contact is there. So I'll be adding this one, or else I can go with the password file. Where is this password? Somewhere it would be. See this properly.
ENC password.
Here,
I think it's
ENC
encrypted
password.
in.
Yeah, it is completely encrypted in the form of hash key. So this is one type of hash key. So I'll add this one, and I need to create the payloads here. Here on the positions tab, beside the positions tab, you will find the payloads. So the payload settings where you can add some random passwords like ABC at the rate 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, I have added it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. I've added 0 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2
Payload.
1.
So
Yeah, I'm just giving different payloads, and I've given with a different options. Okay, so I've given with 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm just giving example for the understanding purpose. But in general, how it would be, you need to load the payloads normally, and within this tab, you can go and search with home. It is user share. There would be one folder called word list. There is this word list, and within this word list, you do have a different files. You can take any word list file. So I can. Where is my procu.txt? I can just load it. So if I, it will consume most of your time. So to take this word list, because it to have 14 million words. Okay. So in your free time, just try it. So how you can actually
this
load
option is
from a
took it
file?
from
Pardon?
this option. List option you got from which was the menu bar you
Payloads
took
tab.
from? I missed. No,
Payloads,
in
payloads,
payloads.
payloads. It load here.
Load here option.
Uh, okay. Yes, you can load any file. That is up to you. So once it is loaded, you can check with that. Again, you need to check with the positions. So this position I'll clear off. I don't want this position. Only I want to perform the password attacks. So I'll take this password and I can add it. So here attack type, there are different types of attackers.
You
So
just
I
click
can
on
use the
that password. How it became
uh,
green color? You just click on it, right?
you have clicked on
The
it. I have
select and click
selected
on it.
this and
Okay.
add. Add option is there, na? Or else
Yes. Yes.
you can do it auto. So where and all we can perform the sniffer attacks. So it will automatically it will take all the input. But rather than we are attacking for the passwords, so I have only given to the passkey. So I have only added here. Okay. And you can select any type of attack. Either it might be a sniffer attack, either it might be a better ramming, pitchfork, cluster bomb, anything. I can go with the sniper attack, and I can perform the start attack. So here it would be like So what and all the things actually it is having? So we have got with the different status codes, and we have got with the errors also. If there is no error, the error box will be, there won't be any box here. Okay, in the error below the error button. Okay, then you can identify that this is the actual password for that facebook.com. I mean, with respect to the username or the user. Got
So,
it?
can you come again on that? So, how do you identify password?
See, here I have given normally six passwords, six random passwords. Okay.
Payload.
So if you are, yeah, in the payload stage, if your username, whatever the username you have given, so with
Yeah.
respect to
Now we
that
give cybersec
username,
something.
the cybersec is the username. Actually, it was not existed. The account itself is not existed, but I have
Not
just
existing.
given randomly. For the example
Yes.
purpose, I have given, and I have given
Mm.
with six random passwords. Okay,
Mm.
any random passwords. So, if there is a password, actual password for the cybersec in the file, whatever the rocky.txt file you have already provided, within the file, if it is the password is available, then it won't show with the box here. In the error, it is showing the box, right? It won't show with the box.
Yeah.
So you can
Okay. So
identify,
my
okay,
doubt
this
is
is the. Hmm,
password. So my doubt is, okay, suppose cybersec was a valid user. It has a password, say password 123. Okay.
hmm, hmm.
Then how is this ROCU file connected with how it's going to have the password original? So you're saying password 123 will be there in the ROCU file?
Your voice is breaking, Lakshmi. Actually, I didn't understand your question.
Um, I think what she's asking is, suppose if I'm giving password as maybe cyber123, so
Okay.
will that exact word will be present in Rocky? How that matching gonna happen? How it matches here?
It
Right
will,
here, you
that's what the intruder attack is. So it will search for all the keywords,
combination.
passkeys, combination, different permutations and combinations. It will search. Okay, if the password, actual password is available in rockq.txt, yes, it can be identified. But if it is not available, you need to search with different keywords.
So
And
suppose
you,
if you have given the correct password in the payload list, so here
hmm,
if it would have matched this
hmm,
for that particular entry, error box will not be there.
yes,
Okay, so this raw queue, this user share word list. So whatever text files in this location, it has all the possible combination of words. Is it like that?
yes, yes, yes.
That was my doubt. So in that user share list, it has n number of combination of passwords that people are likely to give
Hmm, hmm,
across. So there is no password that is not there in the user file in across the globe.
hmm. It is not like that. If you do have 16-digit password or 16 characters password, 16 character length,
Okay. If
then
you
it
have a
is
16 character, it will be there.
I to
It is
use
not
16
there.
character length. It won't be there in docu.txt or means 16 characters how you can create by using the crunch tool.
Oh. So you're
Hmm.
saying 16 character passwords are more safe. It will not be there in the user file
Yes,
usually.
yes. So when you go to the higher level of hacking, like the cPaint or OSCP, OSWE. These are the higher level of hacking courses. So you can understand something more deeper. Okay. This is all about the session hijacking. You do have multiple options in this. Okay.
But how we can do this like in practical world? Why? Because if Lakshmi is trying to access her Facebook, if I want to do the session hijacking, um, uh, how can I do that? Only in her browser, through her browser only we can set up all these things, right?
It is not mandatory that it has to be set up only through her browser. Okay, there
Then
are
if
different things. That's what I'm just trying to say. See, I've given this one login request to the repeater. Here, you can actually do some sort of code injections here in the login request, and you can manipulate different response codes. See here, if I give HTTP instead of HTTP2, if I give HTTP1, and if I start performing the attacks, whatever the requests you are actually sending. So here it is, I've got with HTTP2 and the cookies we have got. Okay. This cookie is actually your Facebook session cookie. If you can manipulate this cookie with some other different things, like if the Facebook is using the Flask, so you can manipulate the Flask cookie. Flask is a web application. Okay, one type of web application, like you can say, mm, it can build a website in general. I can say generic statement I am giving. Actual thing is something beyond. Okay. I think Lakshmi do have one more doubt on this.
A lot of things are, shooting.
Running.
Yeah, yeah.
So by practice only you can identify. So this even you can bypass the OTPs also from this burp suite, and multi-factor authentication and 2FA, MFA and 2FA you can bypass by using the burp suite.
Okay, so let's, if you're coming back to Purna's question, so I am accessing Facebook from my browser, my system. Purna wants to do a session hijack. Okay, so then what are the steps that
If
she
you
will
are
follow?
if you are connected within a network,
Okay, suppose we are in the sitting in the same
same network,
space, then only we can do.
sometimes we
Otherwise,
can do.
like she'll have to improve.
Otherwise, this is the way which I have told.
but
So she'll
this
have to
way
find means
also,
to intrude into the network also first, for sitting from a long other place.
Yes, yes, and
So
you
she has to
can
intrude into
analyze
the
the
same network.
yeah. I have told you, like you can capture the packets by using the Wireshark. In the Wireshark, you would have the options like what and all the packets are going and coming. Okay. In that packet, you can identify the cookies.
so if I am
There
in the
are,
same network, once Lakshmi is requesting to Facebook, I can see
hmm,
whatever request she is making, and I
hmm,
can manipulate the response and give it back to Lakshmi's machine through
yes,
burps.
Yes.
Okay, for that
First,
Just
you
integrated
need to capture the
framework.
packets.
Yeah, the request I could see, right? If we are in the same network, whatever request she's making, I can see it in the
No,
burp.
it is not like it, you can't see in the burp suite, but that's what I'm saying. You need to first capture the packets in the Wireshark. So once the packets are being captured, you can grab those cookies from those packets and you can inject those cookies into your burp suite browser. Burp suite and browser.
Okay.
And you can hijack the session. Okay. When you dig deeper, it will be in a, you can understand better. So this is the
so
very
we
first step I can show you, but I can't go beyond this step.
so if we had to try this out after the session, after this class, we can take
Hmm.
some random website, create a login, and I try to log
Hmm.
in from here. Purna has to.
Hmm.
Will we be able to do it in real time? Just trial.
The session hijacking part, real time. First of all, someone has to enter into your system.
Mm.
Say Purna is sitting in one network and you are sitting in one network. First, you need to
Yeah.
perform the phishing attack, or else you need to inject the malware in Purna system, and you have to get the details of Purna first.
Mm.
Then you can capture the packets from the whatever the Purna is sending the request. Okay, by using Wireshark. Then you need to capture the cookies. Then you have to inject the same cookies in the burp suite and hijack the session. This is how if it is in the remote location, not in the same
Mm.
network.
Same. Mm.
Got it?
Yeah.
Hmm. This is all about the session hijacking. Any concerns?
Concerns will only come when we try out.
Hmm. And even you can use one more tool called Snort, SNORT. That can be
SNOR.
used. Yes, yes, N for Noida, O for Ox, RT, R for Ranchi, T for Tamil Nadu.
Is it available in Kali? No.
Earlier it was there, but I'm not sure now.
You can check
No, it is not available, but you can download it.
Not is not there. Social Engineering
Mhm.
Toolkit root. SCT.
SCT is always
Maybe
available.
that is there when you not is not there.
Okay.
Wireshark is there, Babsuit is there, SCT is there. All of these things are the basic things.
Hmm. Okay. So this is
Yeah.
a very long session, so that's why I can't stretch further. There are tomorrow we can most probably most of the topics we can finish up tomorrow.
So, I mean, are we completing some more topics today? I mean, we could divide it equally.
Actually, this is a very long topic. Rest of the topics are small topics only. It won't take much time. Hardly 15,
Okay.
20 minutes in practical. But if you are going deeper and deeper, it will extend somewhat.
I mean, if you want to cover 2-3 more topics, we are fine. I mean, shall we?
So I need to take breaks only. Then only I can cover.
Okay. I mean, so maybe we'll take a 10 minutes break.
Even I have covered here hacking web servers and web applications also in this topic. Okay, we do have a SQL injection also, and we do have evading ideas, firewalls, and honeypots.
So you're saying that we could cover
So let's
rest
take a break.
everything tomorrow?
Yeah, rest
We can take a
everything in
break
the
and come
sense.
back and come
Yeah,
out.
yeah, that would be better, I think.
Tomorrow you people won't be available.
No, we are there, but it's good to distribute. If
Equally.
otherwise everything. I mean, as of now we are not exhausted. So we'll take a quick break and come back. We'll cover some more topics.
Hmm.
Okay.
I can cover this evading ideas, IPS, and firewalls, and SQL injection today. Tomorrow,
Okay.
you haven't got this Wi-Fi adapter.
No.
No.
If it is there, then wireless hacking also we can complete it. Okay, that's fine. I'll try to get one PDF and share it with you. Just do some sort of exercises on that. Okay. And tomorrow we can start with our concepts called mobile platforms introduction part, as I have already discussed at the very beginning of the session. Last four topics are the actually theory part, where it would be the practicals would be there in CPENT. Mobile platforms and cloud computing, IoT and OT, and cryptography. Okay. So two more topics we will be completing now. Okay. By 11 we can again start.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll join back by 11.
Yeah.
Hope my charge remains till then. I have how much percentage of charge?
Mm.
Charge remaining, yeah, on my laptop. Okay, fine. Let's join back by 11.
Or else tomorrow we can continue, and day after tomorrow also we can have one more session, so that the complete CEH will be finished off. Actually, by this time it should be finished, because of we haven't done with the classes, so that's why it is getting delayed. No worries. At least by Monday we can target. Till Monday we can target. If you do have a charge, then fine. Or else we can
Yeah, I
end
mean,
the session. Close the session.
that's okay. We can join back in after 10 minutes. We'll join back. I think it will be there. It's fine.
15 minutes, not 10 minutes.
Okay, fine.
Fine. Bye.
Okay, yeah.
Hi, I'm back. Hello, am I audible?
Hello? Yeah, hi.
Purna,
Yeah, yes.
there is like
About uh, let me check with the hello.
I'm getting the request one.
Oh, kalla na. Daji na. Hello.
Yeah, Lakshmi, you are shouting
We were
on
excited
someone.
that the power was back. The excitement.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what is SQL injection first?
Injecting something to the SQL query.
What is SQL?
SQL
Is
queries
the
to fetch data from database.
yeah
Okay.
Okay.
structured query to play with data.
Hmm. Okay. So here I've got with the wrong credentials, invalid username and password. I mean, whatever the payloads, because I have not given the legitimate user. So that's it. If it is a legitimate user or the actual user, you will directly log into the Facebook page.
And we could see the password, everything in Burp Suite also, right?
Yes, yes. That can be done.
Looks like we need to take a separate course for Burp Suite. Like there are many options and methods.
Multiple methodologies are there. PubSuite is like ocean. Just let me log into the Portugal website. Hang on.
Sorry, I missed some part of it while plugging in my
No,
charger. Yes,
nothing.
sir. Nothing. Okay. We're talking about SQL injection, right?
Hmm. It is logged in only. No.
Sports figure.
No. You need to just log in.
On our browser,
This is for
Hmm.
sports figure. Let me just take it. Sports figure.
oh, we need to disable this pursuit.
Yes.
That's why it's not loading.
Oh, where? Where do we have to disable?
In that extension, Foxy
Otherwise,
proxy.
browser will not load any of this thing, is it?
It will go
Hmm.
through verb suit, so we may need to click forward, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then disable. You have to click on disable.
Yeah.
For
Then
temporary purpose.
This port figure is for everything.
Practicing part.
Okay, now I am able to log in.
Oh, this is part of verb suit only.
Yeah. Portugal, they developed the verbs.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
This one we need to create credentials. We need to log in.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Create account.
The password will be, you will get the password to your email.
Okay.
So, is
So
it
this
done?
password is I'm trying to log in.
Yeah, checking for the path.
Yes, logged in.
Hmm. Lakshmi, is it done?
Yeah, it's as some capture thing has come up. Capture.
Actually, did it come for when I logged in? Only it asked for only password, not captcha.
I don't know. It was. I had to enter 3 times. My email. Are you able to log in? You are done.
Yes.
Once you click on that register link, your details of registration. That's what comes, right?
It
Pardon?
will forward to registration page. Click here to complete your registration. From there, we'll get the password. Complete your registration. Thank you for your request to register with the website. Click here to complete your
Okay.
registration.
They long.
Your voice is breaking.
Yeah, I don't understand also.
We switch.
Purna, shall we continue tomorrow?
Um,
Okay, what
Tomorrow,
what
like
time?
Yeah, 8:30.
You will log in
8:30.
at 8:30 for sure.
Yeah, because of there was a communication gap. Actually, I thought the session is 3 o'clock. Okay, 3 o'clock I'll be logging in. Again, it was actually communicated to you, but
Okay.
I missed that communication. That's what
Okay.
it was happened. I logged in after 15 minutes, 8:45. I saw the message
Okay.
and logged in.
Fine.
Anyhow, we have done with the recordings also. There is no issue. So most of the topics we have covered. Almost 3 chapters we have covered, and some topics
Okay.
are also there. This SQL injection and cross-site scripting, and any other things. No,
So
these
we'll
two
complete
topics
it.
we need.
We'll be able to complete tomorrow.
Yeah,
The whole thing.
the practical parts we will be completing, and the theory part, no, it will take another 2 hours for me. The theory part.
2 hours.
Mm.
Okay.
Practicals we can complete tomorrow, and day after tomorrow we can have one more session.
What time? Can we have it
Let
on?
me
Can we have it on Tuesday? Then Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Uh,
Mm.
Monday.
Tuesday means it would be like after 12:30
No, not 12:30.
because
Same time.
morning complete morning is occupied for me from 6 o'clock.
Or Tuesday, maybe to finish off, maybe Tuesday evening. Is it possible?
Time.
I mean, 6 p.m.
Let me check and update.
So how will you update?
I'll update to APCP, my team. They
anyway,
will have to
tomorrow you
update.
will
They'll
confirm, right? Tomorrow's
Yeah,
session is
tomorrow
right.
by 8:30 only,
tomorrow morning.
tomorrow's session.
Yeah. So tomorrow, you tell us like what time, which link, everything, so that we'll join
Same
that.
link, same link, same link
Same link.
only. Same link. Yeah,
Same link.
8:30.
Okay. So tomorrow, just confirm us Tuesday evening time. Okay.
Yeah.
And tomorrow, like till
So that
what
we can
time
finish.
you're planning our duration?
Till it would be like 11:30 or 12.